Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an arm jive inside turn. I would recommend you already know how to do a first move inside turn and an arm jive. I'll put links to the clips for those in the description below, so if you want to find them it's easy and quick to do so. But jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Easy as that. Let's break it down. So it starts like a standard arm jive. So we go semicircle back to 2 hands. We come in and pull left. So normal arm jive at this point. The key thing we need to remember in our arm jive is at this point, there's no bouncing in and out. It's all rotation. So we're twisting. When we've done 3 or any odd number, what we're going to do is the guys are going to step to their left, but they're going to push predominantly with their left hand, but also slightly with their right hand, because they want the lady to twist to the right, but also to move backwards. So you're actually moving the lady's centre away from you, which you wouldn't be doing normally in an arm jive. The guy's moving left is getting out the lady's way. And then from here, you use both hands to start off an inside turn. So basically a travelling return, but we're going to let go with the right as the lady comes through. We step out to the other side, lower and back, and we're done. So let's break it down from this side and think numbers. Semicircle back, 2 hands on 1. In and pull left 2, pull right 3, pull left 4, prep the lady 5, over the lady 6 and back 7. Now there is one small thing that's going to feel a little bit odd, because when you do an arm jive, if you do the traditional footwork, as you pull left you step onto the left, and if you pull right you step onto the right. You pull left, you step onto the left, and now at that point you're wanting to move left again. So as you send the lady back, the guy actually has to go 1, 2. So it's going to feel a little bit different to usual, but it'll be fine. Let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, arm jive inside turn. We go offer, left, right, left, prep, over and out. And that is the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. I hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move. So if you like the move, do that. Subscribing helps promote the channel. So massive thank you to everyone who does that. And hitting the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. Something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.